Hey, this is Pete with another 2-second improvement. So back here behind the kiosk at the printer, we have down here our credit card machine, and we did have this automatic stapler here down here. Well, the issue with that was when you went to staple your invoice, between the printer and the credit card machine, you couldn't really get it in there. So instead, there's some holes in this shelf, and all I did was feed a little zip tie through there, and I zip tied the stapler up underneath the shelf. So now when you go to staple an invoice, it's as easy as that.